Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SageMaker model registry for production-ready deployment, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To enable the SageMaker model registry for production-ready deployment, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the SageMaker service from the Services menu. Once in SageMaker, click on Model Registry from the left-hand menu. Select Create Model Package Group to organize your models. Enter a name and description for your model package group. Set the permission settings according to your access requirements. After reviewing your settings, click on Create Model Package Group. Next, proceed to create a model package by selecting your newly created group. Click on Create Model Package within the group page. Provide the required artifacts and specify the model training algorithm. Include any necessary inference specifications related to your model. Once all information is inputted, click on Create Model Package. Next, select Create Endpoint to begin the deployment process. Choose an existing model or create a new one, linking to your model package. Configure the instance size and scaling settings based on your expected traffic. Review your choices carefully before proceeding. Click on Create Endpoint to finalize the deployment. After the endpoint has been created, test it to ensure it's functioning correctly. Monitor the performance of your deployed model to evaluate its efficiency. For advanced management, utilize the SageMaker model registry features to track versions and lineage. Ensure that you configure access controls to maintain security. By completing these steps, you have successfully enabled the SageMaker model registry for a production-ready deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.